forecast update for you for this September the 29th, 2025. I'm hoping everybody had a great Monday out there so far. Everybody has a great Monday evening. Hope everybody continue to stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather, because the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be taking a look at the tropics and portions of the lower 48. But first, we're going to start off with this is Hurricane Humberto here, and Tropical Storm Imelda, which is located in the northern Bahamas, which will continue to move just slightly to the north, then eventually exit stage east. As you can see, we got this kind of scattered activity in the eastern and central MDR region. Got more tropical wave moving off the African coast. Scattered activity across South America, Central America, a little bit in the Caribbean. Also into portion of the Yucatan Peninsula, Mexico, the Eastern Pacific. Some activity in Texas, stretching up toward Colorado, and also portions of Montana and Wyoming region. And you can see a lot of moisture being funneled up from areas of the Carolinas all the way through portions of New York State toward Vermont and portions of southern Maine, and also down toward the east coast of Florida. Precipitation is being funneled off of this system here, but like I say, thanks to Humberto, he will continue to pull Imelda away from the area. So excuse me. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and jump on to the forecast cone from the National Hurricane Center. This is Major Hurricane Humberto. Excuse me. As you can see, we have tropical storm force winds in the yellow, orange, hurricane force winds. It was located in their latitude at 5 p.m. at 29.1 north, latitude 68.1 west. Maximum sustained winds in there 140 miles an hour with higher gusts. Moving is to the north-northwest 13 miles an hour. Classified as a major hurricane with winds of 110 miles per hour plus. Alright, it remains a major hurricane into tomorrow. By late tomorrow afternoon, become a category 2, and then kind of a category, hangs on to a category 2 and 1, and then become a post-hurricane and tropical storm by 2 p.m. on Thursday. So by Thursday, we can say goodbye to Humberto. Alright, now let's take a look at the Spaghetti-O model. Here's the current position of the storm, well compacted, moves off to the north, then takes a hard right turn, exit stage east, and continue to pull away from the area. Here in Bermuda, you will get affected by that system as well as it continue to pull away from the region. Also, Imelda will affect Bermuda also. Alright, now here's the intensity guidance of the system. 120 knot winds equal to 140 miles an hour. You can see the decline in intensity, roll through category 3, 2, 1, tropical storm, and then down to a tropical depression. Looking at maybe about 4 to 5 days out, could be just a tropical depression as it continues to move over the cooler waters of the North Tropical Atlantic. Alright, now here's Imelda. As you can see here, the tropical storm force winds. Still got tropical storm warnings up here for the northern Bahamas. Tropical storm watches. Hurricane watches. Excuse me, hurricane watches for Bermuda. As you can see, expected to become a hurricane sometime later tonight, and then 2 p.m. Tuesday, and hanging through a hurricane all the way through 2 p.m. Thursday afternoon. By 2 p.m. Friday into Saturday, just a tropical, post-tropical storm, and you can say goodbye to Imelda. Alright, now let's take a look at the Spaghetti-O model. Here's the position of the storm, just northern Bahamas, just north of you guys. Continue to move northward just a little bit. There's that hard right turn, exit stage east, and then continue to pull on to the north and east, and exit stage east further from the U.S. So we can say goodbye to Imelda coming up in the next week. By the end of this week should be bye-bye Imelda. Alright, here's the intensity guidance of Imelda. Still got 60 knot winds equal to 65 miles an hour. Takes into a category 1 hurricane, low in category 2, and then drops it back off into a tropical storm. And then someone wants to take it off into a tropical depression a little earlier, but I'm expecting it to remain a tropical storm for a little while longer. Alrighty, so if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also like these videos, share these videos, and well, let's continue to get the show on the road here, folks. And also thanks for tuning in to the Mike Bass Weather Forecast channel. Glad you enjoy the weather forecast. Make sure you subscribe if you're a new viewer. Also like these videos, share these videos as well. Alright, as you can see here, we got 3 tropical storms, but that ain't right. We got, here's Hurricane Imelda. Here's Humberto out in the western tropical Atlantic, continue to pull away. Got some showers up here around New Brunswick, Newfoundland. Also more shower activity across South Canada, stretching into North and South Dakota, portion of Montana, Kansas, Nebraska, Minnesota, portion of Missouri. We got some scattered thunderstorms and showers over here in portion of West Virginia, the Carolinas, Florida Keys, Northern Gulf, over toward Mississippi, Georgia, Alabama, Arkansas, Northern Louisiana, portion of Mexico. More thunderstorms and showers from Colorado to Utah to Nevada to California to Oregon and Washington State. Also the portion of Montana, Idaho, and southwestern Canada. Even got some mixed precipitation for Colorado, Utah, Wyoming, Montana, California, Oregon, and Washington State as well. Otherwise, big dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Tuesday. Alright, let's see if we can get to your Wednesday forecast now. We'll take a look at it. Okay, should be coming up here in a minute. Okay, there goes Hurricane Amelia pulling away from the area. Thunderstorms and showers over the east coast of Florida to the Florida Keys, Northern Gulf, ports of Alabama, Mississippi, Louisiana, Arkansas. Got some scattered activity up here around New Brunswick, eastern Canada. More shower activity up here in Missouri to ports of Kansas, Colorado, northern Texas, Nebraska, Minnesota, South Canada through the Dakotas. More thunderstorms and showers from California, Oregon, Washington State, Idaho, Montana, southwestern Canada. Even got some mixed precipitation in that area as well, from Montana to Idaho, Washington, Oregon State, Northern California areas as well. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Wednesday. Alright, let's move on to the current watch and warning advisory map you're locating across the nation. Okay, you can see in the East Coast, we got a lot of hurricane, tropical storm warnings in the Atlantic coastal waters. You got gale warnings, small craft advisories from Maine all the way down to the east coast of Florida, and also out to 250 nautical miles offshore. Got some more activity from Northern California up to Washington State as well. Got wind advisories over here, portion of Northern California, Oregon, and Nevada. Got some air quality alerts in areas of Oregon, Washington State, and also Texas areas as well. A little bit of coastal flood advisory for the eastern banks, outer banks of North Carolina. Small craft advisories across portions of South Hawaii and Chain Island and the southwestern areas of Alaska. Alright, now let's move on to the Storm Prediction Center outlook. Nothing much to talk about there. Should be pretty brief. There's a little bit of general thunderstorm for the east coast of Florida around Miami. There's a little bit of northern Georgia, western North Carolina. Also, this is just general thunderstorms. Portion of northwest Wisconsin, much of Minnesota, portion of North Dakota, western Washington State, through areas of Montana, Wyoming, Colorado, northern New Mexico, portions of Utah, Nevada, and also portions of eastern Washington State and Idaho regions as well. Alright, finally let's take a look at the tropics. Here's your tropical weather outlook. Once again, from the National Hurricane Center, pretty much quiet. Here's Humberto, and here's Imelda. Alright, well I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like these videos, share these videos. We'll catch you back in the next one. So have a wonderful Monday evening, folks. Take care and also enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got.